Hey everyone, Greg here. This is another follow-up video for the keyword why is Toronto in the NBA? So when I made my first video, I talked about the search analysis. So if you've taken the SEO workshop, you saw how I came up with this topic, why I wrote about it. The other video was me ranking at the very bottom of page one of Google. That was a few weeks ago. Now the term why is Toronto in the NBA? My site now is in the middle of page one. So you have an answer box right up here, Quora. You have Wikipedia, Bleacher Report, and then my site, Stadium Reviews. And there's a lot of reasons why I was able to get this onto page one. You can see I wrote this on June 9th, and today is July 17th. So just over a month to get onto page one, and I keep moving up within the results. And also just within Bing, I like to share this too. Why is Toronto in the NBA? So the site also ranks at the top as well for Bing. And then if you go into Google, interestingly enough, the images, the very top image right here, that is my site, the Stadium Reviews. Weirdly, in Bing, it does not rank anymore, but that's okay. So this is just a follow-up video. Wrote this article about a month ago. Now it's ranking at the top within Google, so things are going pretty well. So I wanted to share that with everyone, and let me know if you have any questions.